To share content using AirDrop on your iPhone, open the file or document you want to share and look for the share icon. I'm going to share this photo, so I'll tap the share button in the bottom left corner. If you've previously shared files with your contacts, you'll see a recently used list of people here. To AirDrop, I'll tap this AirDrop icon, and a list of nearby devices will show up. When I send my photo, a pop-up window on that device will open, saying there's an AirDrop transfer available. Accept that, and the file will transfer over. Sometimes the AirDrop menu doesn't show you any nearby devices. If that happens, take the device you're trying to send files to and swipe down from the top right corner to open up the control center. Press and hold the Wi-Fi icon, and then look for the AirDrop options. By default, it's set to contacts only, but you can temporarily change it to be available for anyone that's nearby. Now, all Apple devices nearby will see your iPhone and can AirDrop files to it. That's it, pretty easy, huh? AirDrop is a great way to share photos and videos because it doesn't compress or lower the quality. It shares the original full-resolution format,